Good morning students. Welcome to Narana Live Classes. Today as a part of our assignment, we are going to discuss the key based on the lesson Packing, written by Jerome K. Jerome. The story of packing is an extract from the book named as Three Men in a Boat. So, today let us have some questions as a part of our assignment. I will be writing on the board, please note down. Question number 1. What was Jerome rather proud of? What was Jerome rather proud of? Answer to this question. Jerome was rather proud of his skill of packing. Now let us see question number 2. Question number 2. Name the two friends of Jerome. Name the two friends of Jerome. Their names were George and Harris. Their names were George and Harris. Now let us see the next question. Question number 3. Before we get into the question number 3, I am going to explain you first question and second question. First question. What was Jerome rather proud of? Jerome was rather proud of his skill of packing. Name the two friends of Jerome. Answer. The two friends of Jerome or their names were George and Harris. Now let us see question number 3. Question number 3. What horrible idea struck to the author when he had packed the bag? When he had packed the bag. When he had packed the bag. Answer. A horrible idea that occurred, or horrible idea that occurred to him was whether he had packed his toothbrush in. Whether he had packed his toothbrush in. I will read the third question. What horrible idea struck to the author when he had packed the bag? A horrible idea that struck to the author that occurred to him was whether he had packed his toothbrush in the bag or not. Now let us see the next question. Question number 4. Question number 4. What irritates Jerome most? What irritates Jerome most? Answer: seeing other people sitting around when he is walking, when he is working, irritates him the most. Okay, I will read the fourth question. What irritates Jerome most? Seeing other people sitting around when he is working irritates him the most. Now let us see question number 5. Where was Jerome's toothbrush found? Where was Jerome's toothbrush found? Lastly, answer to this question. Lastly, it was found inside the boat. Inside a boot. Okay, where was Jerome's toothbrush found lastly? Lastly, it was found inside a boot. Now let us see the next question. Question number 6. Question number 6. At what time did the author pack up the bag finally? At what time did the author pack the bag finally? He packed up the bag finally at 10 p.m. He packed up the bag finally at 10:05 p.m. Now let us see the 7th question. The 7th question is as follows. According to Jerome, who was the worst packer? Who was the worst packer? Answer to this question, answer to the 7th question. Harris, according to Jerome, Harris was the worst packer in the world. According to Jerome, Harris was the worst packer in the world. Okay, I will read the question, 6th question and 7th question. At what time did the author pack the bag finally? He packed up the bag finally at 10:05 p.m. Question number 7. According to Jerome, who was the worst packer? According to Jerome, Harris was the worst packer in the whole world. Now let us see the last and the 8th question. Question number 8. Question number 8. What did Harris start with packing the hamper? What did Harris start with packing the hamper? With packing the hamper. Answer: Harry started by breaking a cup. Harry started by breaking a cup. I will read the last question, question number 8. What did Harry start with packing the hamper? Harry started by breaking a cup. So I hope that you have noted all the 8 questions. Once again, you revise your textbook and go with these questions. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.